Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Doorway. Now today's video is going to be on similar audiences in Google Ads. So how can you expand the reach of your targeting in Google Ads beyond the remarketing audiences? If you look at my remarketing audience list, you can see that I've created audience for 2+ minutes per site visit, which is audiences or visitors who have stayed on my website for 2 minutes or more. So under this columns, in the search column, I have 3,700 visitors. YouTube audience, I have 3,700. Display, it's 3,200. And if I want to run Gmail campaigns, then it's 1,000. Similarly, I've also created an audience for 3+ pages per visit. So that is those audiences who have visited 3 pages or more of my website when they visited it. So similarly, Google gives the audience in each of these categories: search, YouTube, display, and Gmail. Likewise, I've also created all visitors list from Google Ads, which is 11,000 for search, 11,000 for YouTube, and so on. But for those of you who are familiar with Facebook ads would know that there's something called lookalike audiences in Facebook, which is Facebook tries to match the characteristics, traits, behavior pattern using its own machine learning from the seed or the source audience. And then you can create a lookalike audience. So similarly in Google, there's something called similar audience, which is the same as lookalike audience. The good news, however, is that in Facebook, you have to create it on your own. It's not it's a manual process. It's not an automated process. In case of Google, it's an automated process. Google does it on your own whenever you create any audience. So for example, if you notice here, I have 2+ minutes per visit and 3+ pages per visit. And if I just notice the type over here, if I scroll down further, you will see the similar to 2+ minutes, 2+ minute page per visit. And if you look at the type, it's similar audience, and you will see that it is automatically created. This is how Google creates it on its own. But also, if you look at the columns over here, in search, the audience is very small. In YouTube, the audience is very small, but in display, I have 1 to 2 million audience, and in Gmail, I have 10,000 to 50,000 audience. So don't get surprised by looking at this audience list, audience numbers, because that's how Google works. It uses machine learning along with its contextual engine to really understand the shared interests and characteristics of the people in any particular remarketing list. So similarly, if you see similar to 3+ pages per visit, again, you have in search, it's very small. In YouTube, display, and Gmail, I can run these 3 campaigns. So whenever you create any remarketing audience, any custom audience, that is, Google will automatically create similar audiences. So you will see all of these creating similar audiences, which are over here. So what are the benefits of this similar audience, and should you really target it? Experts have said, and I've also ran some tests using similar audiences, and the key benefits that I would like to point out are: number one, reach. You can expand the reach to people who have similar characteristics as those of your seed audience. You can reach out to them, and you can bring them to your website. And once those visitors come to your website, automatically they're added to your remarketing seed list. The second one is improving conversion rate. So there's a high chance of improving conversion rate because you have people who are a lookalike audience who are coming to your website. So they could be of your competitor, for example. When they come to your website, they see something, there are chances of them purchasing something. So that's how conversion rate increases. Number 3 is these audiences are powered by machine learning. So they are updated in real time using machine learning capabilities that analyzes millions of signals by Google. The fourth benefit is you can target them efficiently. So original remarketing lists are automatically excluded from similar audience lists, making sure you target only new users. So with similar audiences, you can boost the reach of your existing remarketing audiences or campaigns and target new audience or new users by driving them to your website. Even if they don't convert immediately or they don't make a purchase from you instantly, you would have still added them to your remarketing tags, and you can still target them at a later date. so that your audience list, your seed audience list also increases. So you will see an increase in numbers gradually over here, because you're targeting new users by simply targeting similar users. So in my next video, I will show you how to create a campaign using similar audiences. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed still to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching, and bye.